Most people don't build wealth by luck. They build it by habit. Here are 10 that actually work. Habit 1. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. Habit 2. Pay yourself first. Save before you spend, not after. Habit 3. Build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting untouched. Habit 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income grows, don't let your spending grow with it. Habit 5. Start investing early. Even small amounts compound massively over decades. Habit 6. Understand your debt. Not all debt is equal. Know the difference between good leverage and bad interest. Habit 7. Automate everything. Savings, bills, investments. Remove yourself from the decision. Habit 8. Invest in your own skill. Higher earning power beats any single budgeting trick. Habit 9. Live below your means, not at them. The gap is where wealth is built. Habit 10. Review your finances monthly. What gets reviewed gets improved. Close. None of these habits are exciting. That's the point. Financial freedom isn't a single decision. It's 10 boring ones, repeated for years.